In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is my Zoom Personal Meeting Room ID. Your Personal Meeting ID, often called your PMI, is your own always available Zoom room. Think of it like a consistent meeting space tied to your account. Instead of creating a brand new link every time, you can share this one when you want people to find you at the same place. It's especially handy for recurring check-ins, quick catch-ups, or any meeting where you want a familiar, reusable link. To find it, start in your Zoom workspace or app. Look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Meetings. This takes you to a page dedicated to your scheduled sessions and your personal room. Right on this screen, you'll see a section that references your personal meeting ID. It might appear as a numeric code, a link, or both, along with the label Personal Meeting ID or PMI. That's the identifier for your personal room. When you click on it, you'll see options to copy either the full invitation or just the PMI itself. Copy. Invitation gives you a complete block of text that includes your meeting link and important joining details. This is a great choice when you're sending an email or a calendar invite and want everything in one place. Copy just the PMI if you only need the code or link and plan to paste it into a chat, a message, or a calendar event you've already set up. Both options lead people to your personal room. It's just a matter of how much information you want to share at once. When you're ready to meet, simply click Start to launch a call using this personal meeting ID. Anyone you've shared the link or the code with can request to join. Depending on your organization's settings, participants may land in a waiting room first, and you'll admit them when you're ready. That layer helps you control who enters your space and keeps your room secure. A couple of quick tips as you use your PMI. Because it's constant, only share it with people you trust or in contexts where you expect ongoing access. For one-off events with a wide audience, you may prefer a unique meeting link instead. And if you're coordinating with a team, the full invitation text is often the easiest way to avoid confusion, since it includes the link and any necessary joining details in one copy and paste message. That's all there is to it. Click Meetings on the left, locate your personal meeting ID, copy the invitation or the PMI, and hit Start when you're ready. You now know exactly where to find and use your Zoom Personal Meeting Room ID.